Hey guys, welcome back to the laboratory. In this video, we are looking at the structure of an atom. By the end of this video, you should be able to name the particles found within an atom, recall the charge, location and mass of each particle, and explain why all atoms are electrically neutral. So, let's go. All matter, be it living or non-living, is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Each atom consists of 3 subatomic particles, and these are called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are located in the nucleus of the atom. They have a positive charge of +1 and a mass of 1. Neutrons are also located in the nucleus of the atom. They have a neutral charge of 0 and a mass of 1. Electrons orbit the nucleus of the atom on electron shells. They have a negative charge of -1 and are the smallest of the particles with a mass of 1/1835. Understanding the structure of the atom is an important foundation for future topics we will explore, such as bonding and reactivity. So, to support you with your recall of the basics, here's an easy way to remember the charges of each subatomic particle. Protons are positively charged, and so they can be remembered as the positive protons. Neutrons have no overall charge and can be remembered as the neutral neutrons. Your electrons then have the last remaining charge, which is of course negative. Despite the atom containing charged particles, the overall charge of an atom is always neutral. This is because there are always the same number of positive protons as there are negative electrons, and so the charges cancel one another out. Let's look at the diagram of this beryllium atom as an example. There are 4 protons located in its nucleus. As each proton has a +1 charge, this means there is a 4+ charge in its nucleus. There is also a total of 4 electrons located on the electron shells. As each electron has a -1 charge, this means there is a 4- charge in the atom too. The 4+ charge of the protons is cancelled by the 4- charge of the electrons, giving the atom no overall charge. As the neutrons have no charge, they have no effect on the electrical charge of the atom. Here's an example of some exam-style questions that you may be asked on this topic. Pause the video, read the questions, and take your time to answer. I'll be waiting for you on the other end with the mark scheme. These questions are pretty straightforward. Question 1 simply asks for you to recall the masses for a neutron and an electron. Be careful here, as I've seen many students make the mistake of misreading the question and providing the charges of the particles instead. Anyway, as we know, the mass of a neutron is 1 and the mass of an electron is 1/1835. It's important to note here that the mass of an electron tends to vary depending on the source you are reading. Examining boards will likely accept a range of values for the mass of an electron, and so it's worth finding out the responses that your examining body will accept. And finally, our answer for question 2 is of course option B, because there are the same number of electrons and protons. So, how did you do? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, that's it for this video guys. Thank you for joining me in the laboratory. Please leave a like on this video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss another one. See you soon!